We understand that climate change isn't just a future problem, it's happening now. And for low-lying coastal communities, the risks are increasing and ever visible. Many people still lack the methods and means to understand these risks in evidence-based ways that can help them adapt to the changing realities. But what if I told you that there's a structured, proven method to assess, prioritize, and act on these risks? That's where a climate risk assessment framework comes in. This framework, in particular, built on existing practices and research, is designed to help communities, governments, and decision makers understand, quantify, and manage climate risks in a comprehensive, measurable, and actionable way. The process starts by pinpointing key climate drivers, emissions, unfettered growth, and the changing lands and waters. Then it identifies climate hazards, sea level rise and flooding, extreme weather, precipitation changes, temperature changes, water scarcity, and air quality. Then we tie value components that underpin your key priorities that are most critical to your project. From there, we assess exposure, who or what is at risk, vulnerability, how severe are the impacts, and then finally we prioritize the likelihood and consequences of risks and structure adaptive measures and an implementation process that you can track. The framework's built on climate science and data, project management methodologies, and it applies an equitable lens seeking input from stakeholders, dependents, indigenous partners, and other marginalized members of coastal communities. It ensures that adaptation isn't just reactive, but it's equitably forward-thinking. This framework is part of an iterative and adaptive process. Climate risks change, and so our responses need to do the same. So we've included ways to think about reassessment, to think about refinement, and improving climate resilience and preparedness over time. We believe that climate risk assessment frameworks are a powerful tool to safeguard infrastructure, to empower decision makers, and to build collective climate resilient futures. So start using this methodology today, because the best time to act on climate was probably yesterday, but the next best time to act is now. Good luck.